wala naman, there is no new business. So if while a member has the right to speak on the floor, he does not have the right to require that majority of all the members are there to listen to him. Because if his arguments or what he's saying is not interesting, the members would rather go somewhere else, di ba? So, ayun, pag yun ang gusto nila, like I said, I will adopt their logic at when they're discussing at wala ng number, I will be the one to ask to adjourn the session.
Pero botohan pa rin, sir, March 8.
Hindi na.
Feb 28.
And if they cannot maintain quorum to listen to them by Wednesday, eh wala na. What's the point in going for the debate? So, i-advance na namin ang botohan sa February 28 na Tuesday. So I give them until Tuesday to maintain quorum to listen to them.
Bakit binaligtad? Bakit sila yung mag-maintain ng quorum? Di ba dapat majority
Hindi
function?
sila yung they are speaking against the bill eh. Na, tapos na yung sponsor, tapos na yung in favor of the bill. So sila are the ones who claim that they want to interpret because they're against the bill. So sila yung mag-maintain doon. Eh kung wala na, how can I force people to listen to their points if the people already have made up their minds, they want to vote on it, and that is what I asked them. Kasi in the meantime, as you have noticed, and I hope media will be fair by not saying na death penalty bill has been stalled because of problem with quorum. Hindi naman, we've had quorum. The problem is nobody wants to listen to them. That's their problem, and they are the ones questioning the quorum. Like I said on the floor, kami na nga nagtsatsaga, nagbe-bend to listen to them. But for them to demand that a majority of all the members should be present to listen to them, hindi naman yata tama yun.
Sir, kung halimbawa hindi po matapos lahat ng 25 na initial na nakalista, tatapusin pa rin po the debate?
Siyempre, lalo na kung wala naman nakikinig sa kanila, ganun na rin pupuntahan nun. And in the meantime kasi, I cannot tackle other measures on the floor because once you take up other matters, then they will use it to railroad the bill.
Sir,